Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, heat the sticker with a hair dryer for 20-30 seconds so the adhesive softens. Make sure to work on a hidden corner first. This protects the plastic. Use a plastic card to lift an edge gently, not a metal blade, because you want to avoid scratching. Once you get a small flap, peel slowly at a low angle, steady pressure, and patience reduce residue. If the label tears, reapply heat and continue. Speed makes tears, not success. Once most of the paper is off, treat the remaining tacky glue. Spray or dab oil or WD-40 and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes so the adhesive dissolves. Then, use a microfiber cloth and rubbing alcohol to lift softened residue. Work in circular motions to avoid streaks. Scrape gently with a plastic card between applications and reapply solvent as needed. Make sure to ventilate and wipe away oily film, because trapped oil attracts dirt if left behind. Finish by washing the area with warm soapy water and drying it to check for any ghosting or haze. For persistent bits, apply a small amount of Goo Gone or 70% plus isopropyl alcohol, rub gently, and then rinse thoroughly so no solvent remains. Make sure to dry and buff with a microfiber cloth for shine. If the sticker still won't release, soak the whole piece in warm soapy water overnight and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.